In this video, how to clean uninstall of all Autodesk products on Windows. Sometimes, you want to completely uninstall or remove all installed Autodesk products. Removing Autodesk products is a tiresome task. You need to uninstall them one by one, wait for the first one to be removed, and then remove the next one. So, it could take hours to completely remove them. So, I have created a PowerShell script to remove all installed Autodesk products silently, without user interaction. The script will get the list of installed Autodesk from the registry, then uninstall all Autodesk apps using the uninstall string. Some products depend on others, so we run the remove function to ensure all apps get removed automatically. The Autodesk folder in the C drive is the cached folder when installing Autodesk products. Uncomment in the script if you want to delete it when uninstalling. You can copy the code, then paste into a PowerShell windows, or create a PowerShell script then execute it. In this case, I have created a PowerShell script. Finally, let's right-click on the Windows Start icon, then open PowerShell as administrator. Enable script execution for the current PowerShell session only. Navigate to the script location, then execute it. The script will automatically detect and uninstall all installed Autodesk products without any prompts or user interaction. The process may take some time to complete, depending on the number of installed products. Once done, go to the Control panel to see if all Autodesk products have been removed. As you can see, all the Autodesk products have been removed automatically. And the Autodesk folder in the System drive will be removed automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.